I'm not approaching. I'm parked.
Walk towards me, so that's approaching me. I'm telling you that, okay?
Damn. All we doing is cruising. Damn, man. Every time, man. All of y'all. No. 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 What the fuck? Damn. God damn. This shit. And the poor brother over. Got his backpack. Searching his car. Damn. Look out, I'm scared. Somebody gonna creep up on his head. Damn. Oh, fuck. Then they looking through Architect's car. Damn. Right. Right. Damn. Damn, bro, this is cold-blooded, bro. This will make you not even want to drive and cruise no more.
Checking art shit. Ooh,
Arc out.
Art cool.
Damn. Art good.
I'm way around the corner. I need to know what's back on.
Yeah, I left my shit ashy.
Damn, but Ali ain't got no record. He should be good too. Hey, bro, he got a paper bag. What that mean? Ali going to jail?
They probably finna take his gun. Either take his gun.
Hey, so what did they do to you, Art?
Nah, shit, they just put me in the car and searched my car. I was nervous because I ain't gonna lie, nigga, I just got on probation.
I know.
Off the
God
ankle monitor,
damn.
too,
Off the
like-
ankle monitor?
Yeah.
Well, I mean, they didn't pull up to the
He
car.
still
then.
pulled over?
Yeah. They told me you better back up. This is an investigation, nigga.
They let all y'all go in front of them.
Ali in the car.
Damn, man.
Kentucky. Yeah.
Wow. Man. Ali's in the back of the police car too. Damn.
Shit, I ain't been in the back of one of them bitches in so fucking long. Fuck.
One of them was right behind me.
Yes, bro.
Yeah, like,
they was
nigga,
right behind
right
me
cut
too.
in between.
They cut in between.
Nigga, they said,
Yeah, he look like he about to try to put something on in there. Cause look how he look. Look at him looking
that
at
shit ain't good.
But you gotta understand though, that nigga Nick.
We can go on that other side by the collective door. What if they try to put something in his car?
Yeah. You see, Nick got fucking weed on right up on top of the stereo and some more shit, like.
Damn. Man, bro, I'm ready to go home.
If the man on the other side of the car pop out with something, he planning.
Yeah, cause hey, Nick ain't right.
Hey, y'all, it's cold outside. Ali, just park your car.
Thank God.
They still got Dougie in there, though.
Dougie high as hell
Hell
right
yeah. What?
Gratitude. Tired.
That shit on 4K.
What? What they got?
What they got?
Oh,
That revolver.
it's open again.
But that's his name. It's all good.
It is in his name?
Hell
Yeah.
Good. They
But
got
still.
happy. So they happy thinking they got some nigga running. They said my name.
Yeah, exactly.
Don't tell me they taking my brother.
Dougie in a car with him?
Don't tell me they taking my
Dougie in a car
brother.
with him?
Yep.
Yeah. But let's ask. So is he so...
Oh, Dougie gone. Dougie gone.
Taking him? He in the backseat?
Yep.
Why are they taking him? Okay, but
Why they taking Dougie?
so we about to have to go to the...
Cause he on probation or parole, ain't he?
Ah.
Can't be with nobody with a gun.
Same exact spot. And he keeps slipping in and out that, look, what he doing? What is that? What is that?
Oh, they opened up his weed container.
Oh, it's weed. Oh, it's fucking weed. He's smelling it. Yeah, it smells like weed. Ain't shit in there.
Dang. So they took my brother to jail, y'all.
What he just put on top of that car? What he just put on top of that?
What? Yes.
Wait, zoom in and get that officer with his hand on his face.
Ali. Hey, y'all, they been looking through my brother's car for about at least 40 minutes.
They found the gun. They thought they had. They found the gun. Thought they had some on the gun. The gun is registered in his name. Then they had to go back to the car and try to find something else. Looking in the same area they looked in before. Pulled his back seats back and everything. So let's say this: if they do find something, it's planted by the man that had his hands on his face.
Yep. Man, with the gun, with the weed. Y'all, it's cold. If y'all see something trembling, it's cold. Look, y'all, what are they talking about? downtown bullshit. Yeah. Man, they already said they're gonna let them go, so shit. Why didn't turn the shit off, man?